start here in overhand, same time. Small circles for 4, 3, 2, 1, and split time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go small. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stall back. Stall front. Back to overhand. And we're going to go big again. Hold it big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now swivel to underhand and hold it in underhand. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go small. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. And stall. Stall back. Back to underhand. Split time. 4, 3, 2, 1. And big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now swivel 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to the right side. Come down small. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to wrap it up and go into our buzzsaw. So bring it over the top, wrap it up, get back into split time. You're in your buzzsaw. Now we're going to sync up the timing in butt tap, back tap, butt tap, back tap. So that's 4 taps total. Back to your buzzsaw. And now we're going to open it up to the side, release to full length. And then we're going to go back to split time for 4, 3, 2, 1. And big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready and swivel. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out on the left side and underhand for 4, 3, 2, 1. And go small. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to wrap it up, make it small, bring it in, go into your buzzsaw here, and we're going to do 4 taps. So sync it up and back for 1, circle butt for 1, back for the 3rd tap, and then butt for the 4th tap. Come into underhand buzzsaw. We're going to release it to the side, come into same time, full length, split time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Big for 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready and swivel. We're going to swivel for 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Turn to the right, come into overhand big. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go small and sync it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to plane shift into that corkscrew. Here we go. So we're in together time corkscrew here. And now let's turn to the right with it. Go into split time for a minute. We'll end up going around twice. And then we're going to come back when we get about around here, go back into same time. Now on this second time, go under the leg. And then we're going to come up facing the front. And then I want you to tap just the tip on the hip and then change direction into counterclockwise. We're going to turn to the left, split the timing. And then we're going to go around a second time in together time. When we learn the under the leg here, we'll go this way, under the leg, and then come back up, tap just the tip on the hip on the left side, turn to the right, and we're going back into the overhand giant here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go small. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same time. Stall back. Stall front. Now we're going to come back into our buzzsaw again. And then we're going to sync it up, open the legs, get ready, and we'll do the 4 taps. And here we go. Under the leg, circle, on the back, circle. Under the leg, circle, on the back, circle, back to split time. And then we're going to release it to the side, come into full length, you're in split time, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and go big for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now get ready and 4 times the swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now come to the left side to underhand. 1, 2, and come small. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap it up. Come into your buzzsaw. And then we're going to sync it up and we'll do the 4 taps. So sync it up and back tap. Come under the butt. Come over to the back. Come under the butt. Back to split time buzzsaw. And then release it to the side. And then sync it up. Stall forward. Stall backward. Back to same time circles. Now split time circles. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to go big again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready. We're going to swivel now. Swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And turn to your right into giant for 4, 3, 2, 1. And come down to your side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sync it up. Here we go. Stall back and stall front. Back to overhand. Bring it into the buzzsaw. And then get ready. Sync it up and we're going to stall. We're going to tap on the butt. Circle to the back. Circle to the butt. Circle to the back. Back to split time buzzsaw. And then bring it out to the side. Release to full length. Sync it up in the same time. And then get ready. Here we go. We're going to plane shift again into that corkscrew. And we're in the clockwise corkscrew together time. And split the timing. And then we're going to come around. And when you get back around to where you were, where you started, sync it up again. And this time we're going to go under the leg. Then come to the front and then tap just the tip on the hip. Change direction counterclockwise. And we're going to go into split time, going to the left, turning to the left. And then the second time through, we'll do same time. And if you had the under the leg, you go under the left leg, under the right leg, come up, around, tap on the left hip, turn to the right. Third set, back to the giant. 2, 3, 4. Make it small. 2, 3, 4. Sync it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stall back. Stall front. And go into overhand buzzsaw again. And here we go. We're going to tap on the butt. And 1. And then the back for 2. And then the butt for 3. And the back for 4. And back to the buzzsaw. Release to the outside. And go into the giant again for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to swivel for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now turn to the left, come out underhand on the left for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And then go small. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sync it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that went by so fast.